Today I'm going to tell you about how flowers make seeds and the male and female parts of a flower. Most plants make seeds from their flowers. Some plants make seeds right after the flower dies, but other plants usually make fruit when the flower dies and the seeds are inside the fruit. And the flower has two parts, the female part and the male part. The male part has two main parts. It is called the stamen. The male part is called stamen, and it includes anther and filament. The female part is called pistil, and it includes stigma, style, and ovary. If you see the picture of the stamen, I think it's usually it's the outside part. And a month ago, I have saw the anther full of yellow paste. Yeah. To turn the flowers into seeds, they have to be fertilized and pollinated. Fertilization occurs when they fertilization. The ovary is the most inner part of a flower. By fertilization, the ovary makes egg cells. And then there's pollination. Pollination occurs when the pollen grain is transferred from the anther to the stigma. It can happen through self-pollination or cross-pollination. If the pollen is transferred from the same flower, it's called self-pollination. If the pollen is transferred from the anther of one flower to the stigma of another flower, it's called cross-pollination. This is where the flower petals are useful. Flower petals are colorful outer coverings of flowers, and they attract bees and butterflies. Bees and butterflies help many flowers to get pollinated. When bees usually do cross-pollination, they sit on the flower and drink a sweet substance. When they are flying, some pollen grain sticks on the bees, and when it goes to another flower, the pollen sticks to the stigma of the other flower, and the flower makes egg cells, and then it turns into seeds. So today I told you about the seeds, how plants make seeds, and parts of flowers. Bye.